It's funny, when I meet individual investors for the first time, often I hear, oh, investing is like gambling. I might as well go to the casino and put my money on black or red at the roulette table. Well, I strongly disagree. Investing is not like gambling, not at all. It's a numbers game in terms of, here's where you are today, this is how much money you have today, and this is where you want to be in the future. Whether that future is retirement, saving to buy a house, putting your children through post-secondary education, we're all investing to obtain a goal, to meet our financial goals. Planning can help us obtain or reach those financial goals. We talk about risk tolerance, time horizon, age, rates of return. These are all things that are important to calculate or to factor into an effective plan. When I make a recommendation to my clients, a lot of thinking goes into that recommendation. As I said earlier, we consider all the factors. We also look at the history, the fundamentals of that investment. We even look at the charts, how that investment has performed in the past. As we know, the past cannot be an indication of how the investment will do in the future. It can help us tremendously. So when an investment is recommended to my clients, a lot goes into that recommendation. It's not just close your eyes, pick an investment and hope for the best. Hope is definitely not a strategy that we use at the Allan Small Financial Group. So investment is the furthest thing from gambling. It's trying to figure out what rate of return you need to have over a period of what time to allow you to obtain those financial goals. If you like what you heard, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell.